Mary Kom likely to be BJP star campaigner in the upcoming assembly polls in Manipur. Sharmila floats her political party called People's Resurgence and Justice Alliance (PRJA). BJP Manipur president says the party is closely scrutinizing aspiring candidates. And BJP state executive member from Haingang resigns after N. Biren joined the BJP. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Prime Time News. I'm Butcher Malambam with the top stories. World champion boxer and Rajya Sabha MP Mary Kom is likely to become BJP's star campaigner in the upcoming assembly polls in next year. India Today said it is still not clear if the boxer will join the party and contest assembly polls, but one of her brothers is almost certain to get a BJP ticket. Finance, Health and Education Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, who is also convener of North East Democratic Alliance, a BJP-led umbrella organization of political parties, told India Today. Here I quote, "We are in talks with her, though nothing has been finalized yet." Sharma met Mary Kom in Imphal on October 16. In last 6 months, several veteran Congress leaders have also joined BJP. India Today said, according to sources, the party also reached out to iconic activist Irom Sharmila, who has decided to join electoral politics, but top leadership is divided over accommodating her in the party. Last month, Sharmila had met AAP leader and BJP Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, seeking his help to launch a political career. Former human rights activist and politician Irom Chanu Sharmila today floated her political party called People's Resurgence and Justice Alliance (PRJA) at the Manipur Press Club. Team Sharmila for Change, a platform for people Manipur seeking a new beginning in the socio-political landscape of Northeast, organized the event. Sharmila decided to join politics after government ignored her 16-year-long fast against APSPA. She said the youth should jointly fight to put an end to use of muscle and money power in elections. Sharmila appealed to all to support her and said the new party will fight the election on the basis of justice, peace, love and understanding. She said if she cannot win in the assembly polls, she will fight in the 2019 Lok Sabha election. Irendro Leichongbam is the convener of the party, while Irom Sharmila, Phundreimayom Najma and James Mayengbam are ad hoc conveners. Sharmila will contest against Dr. N.G. Bijoy in Kurai and against Chief Minister Okram Ibobi in Thawal constituency. Phundreimayom Najma in Wabgai and convener Irendro Leichongbam in Thangwaiband. The party will decide its symbol by November 12 and register with the Election Commission of India. The party will field its candidates in at least 20 assembly constituencies and is hopeful of their success.
Violence haibasida yumpham thon ba ki khang leitaba khunai ama lakpa haiba si da changchal iba oiba aina CM ibo bigi kendra da lepa de ain chahi 13 phaning chi chara hen ba CM ibo bi na mai Congress sarkar paiba hogalakpadagi haibadu su oiba na asi miam na su pamna draba draconian law asi serious oina sunglau laudaba tuna maram oirakanda ai CM ibobi boba lamba tauge haibagi guts lai haiba challenge tawningba ma phawbagi aina tasengna CM ibobi gi kendra da su lepkani.
Ahead of the announcement of floating her regional political party, Irom Chanu Sharmila today visited Johnston High Secondary School early this morning. Irom Sharmila entered the school campus around 8:30 a.m. and sat there for some time. After that, Irom Sharmila prayed at the hall where the first assembly session of Manipur was held on October 19, 1948. She said it is the place from where Manipur became a democratic state and she wanted to begin her new phase of life from the historic place.
1948 October 18 da hoyi ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯁꯤ ꯐꯝꯕ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯣꯝ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯣꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯟꯕ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯨꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯪꯖꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ.
President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Khetrabim Bhavananda, has asserted that the party is closely scrutinizing the aspiring candidates before giving the party tickets. He maintained that party ticket will be given to the most qualified and deserving candidates. Speaking at the one-day political conference of BJP at Keshamthong Ilangum Lekai, Leirak Achoba Community Hall, Bhavananda said party ticket aspirants are also holding joint meetings. He maintained that there is no question of giving party tickets to near and dear ones and corrupt practices will not be followed for giving tickets. Expressing confidence that BJP will surely form the next government, he accused Congress of looting the public money openly. He alleged that recruitment drive in many government departments is to loot public money to invest in election. He also reminded the Congress government that public are not ignorant.
Daylight looter, I don't think that loot over Kanguni noise. Me pick out the Pisha Satpanga, Lyra Pajama, Tabaki Tony, Pashadi Lady, low him on Mananta Mani, the Mingoni poor ni, I do a Tabaki Pashadi Pirani, Tabato or Pashia or Tabasia, Sanjara, the Tabu things and give us rea. I don't know, Yachiman, I'm a bullet, I'm a bullet of Winamina Caritore, Pazazia, blackmail Torada, Pazazia, Queen of Pazalaga, Pashazi Loxalaga, Pashadi Piramina. Moisu obligation natraga koi compulsion nama leramina boche thadara kadra haibi asada moiji vote kan khomi.
BJP asserted that the party will form a government in Manipur in the next 3 or 4 months as it did in Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Organization Secretary in charge BJP Manipur and Assam, Fonida, made the statement at a meeting of the BJP Kurai Mandal office bearers held at the residence of BJP State Secretary No. 1 Laisang Them Susindro at Kurai Tinsit Road. Fonida maintained that in the last 2.5 years, the BJP government in the centre has not faced any corruption charges. He said if BJP comes to power in Manipur, the state will not only develop but become a corruption-free state. BJP NE in charge Ajay Jambal and several prominent workers of BJP Manipur Pradesh took part in the meeting.
कांग्रेस से बीजेपी में 2 यहाँ के वरिष्ठ नेता इस प्रदेश का बीजेपी में आया, कांग्रेस में रहा, मंत्री भी बना, एमएलए भी बना, लेकिन जो हमने लोग वायदा किया था कभी भी निभाया नहीं है. सिर्फ एमएलए बनने के लिए आया ना, ऐसा नहीं कहा उन्होंने. देश ने हमको काफ़ी दिया है, देश को हमने क्या दिया उन्होंने एक बार हिसाब लगाया, देखा कि देश के लिए उन्होंने देने के लिए कुछ उनके पास नहीं था, मौका नहीं मिला, मौका मिलने के बाद भी नहीं दिया. लेकिन एक बार यहाँ इस समय ऐसा मिला है कि देश को कुछ देना है, समाज को कुछ देना है, इसलिए कांग्रेस सरकार बीजेपी में.
Committee of Civil Societies Kangleipak today commemorated October 18, 1948 as Manipur gi Puarida Miyam gi Lengak Leibanumit. The event was held at the Classic Grande at Chumairong. The event commemorated October 18, 1948, the day on which independent Manipur held its first session of the assembly. President of CCSK Arjun Telhaiba said the people of Manipur need not forget that even though Manipur is small, it existed as a sovereign independent nation after the British left Manipur. He also attributed emergence of 2 groups on any issue in the state due to lack of sense of nationalism. He stressed the need for students to critically analyze the history of Manipur. CPI Manipur today commemorated the first session of Manipur Assembly held on October 18, 1948. The event was organized by Agitation and Propaganda Department of CPI Manipur State Council at Irabot Bhawan on BT Road. Deputy Secretary Political Affairs of CPI Manipur State Council Laishram Sotin Kumar spoke on the works of Hijam Irabot after he was elected from Udlaw in the election. 6 aspiring candidates of BJP in Lilong constituency have agreed to support whoever the party feels as the candidate in the upcoming 2017 assembly election. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, BJP State Executive Member and aspiring candidate of the party, Sahab Musa, said aspiring candidates of BJP are determined to defeat the Congress. He said it is unnecessary to have many candidates as it will divert all the votes. That is why the aspiring candidates of BJP in Lilong have agreed to support the candidate chosen by the party.
ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯉꯛꯄ ꯐꯪꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯔꯨꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯗꯪ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ 19ꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯤꯂꯣꯡ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯗ ꯚꯣꯇꯔ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ 50ꯅꯤ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ 50ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯔꯨꯛꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯇ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ 19ꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯤꯂꯣꯡ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯗ BJPꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯡꯁꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ.
State Executive Member of BJP Manipur Pradesh Nauroibam Ratan alias Kapu has resigned from the primary membership of BJP today. Disclosing his resignation from the BJP to the media at his Haingang Mayai Lekai residence today, Ratan said he decided to resign from the party as former MLA and Biren joined the BJP. He said it is very unfortunate that a criminal has joined the party. He, along with a large number of people of Haingang, decided to leave the party as many corrupt persons are in BJP. He said as per the aspirations of Haingang people, he will soon join a national party.
Manipur Praja ki Bharat Sarkar ne piriba Manipur Sarkar ki budget ki mathakta Bharat Sarkar da aikhoina Bharat tille matungda madu Bharat ki simbum na changa agasu aikhoina sinabiu haibase aikhoina BJP da leiringa da ngasidagi thado khadaba party sida leiringa da Manipur ki Praja ki swasthya da aikhoi Shri Narendra Modi ji da aikhoi isana yaurda Honorable Home Minister da haijaki aikhoi ayamna yaba Manipur tung koi seba tawdaba koi party me da
Unknown persons planted a hand grenade at the gate of former DGP Y. Joykumar at Naramthong DC Leirak this morning. A hand grenade was also found at the Tata Motors showroom at MG Avenue. Bomb disposal squad of Manipur Police safely removed the two bombs. BJP Yuva Morcha has warned of intense hesitation if the police case against the party volunteers on the charge of ransacking and damaging MPSC office items is not withdrawn. Speaking to media at BJP office today, BJYM President Pukhrambam Somorjit refuted the allegations against the Yuva Morcha volunteers as baseless and unfounded. He said the volunteers of the Morcha did not ransack MPSC office nor damage the vehicle of the chairman. The volunteers only agitated against the misconduct of the exam and demanded not to hold Viva Voce. He said the Morcha will further stand against the policy of corrupt recruitment drive in other departments also. He urged the MPSC to clarify the allegations with proof and evidence.
Angtang changya haibigi intong chin to bakanda madu soibidigi iban ngang nanabo one of the gate kit do nongmai pairiba police tuna magi nongmai matona thing the kaibani haibasi ai akhoi youth ki music dagi tajare aduga atopan mingjan kaibidu su mungnarak padigi thengbada mind kaiba wagene aduga akhoina intentionally akhoi bo morcha gi side tagi madu thugai khokaiba kamta legide habsai thamjage aduna hairiba posi public ta mungtang chengtopiu Nataragadi Equina BJYM Makal Makagi Tongan by agitation Kongjang Changalakania Bishi, a man of them.
The Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESAM, has questioned the silence maintained by BJP Manipur Pradesh when Manipur University has been witnessing unrest among the students of a seat reservation for more than 3 months. The student body in a press release demanded BJP Manipur Pradesh to make its stand on the issue public. Aam Aadmi Party of Manipur in a press release said no one can disturb the territorial boundaries of Manipur. It also said the people of Manipur are protecting it. The party also said it supports Dr. Nara's view that money should not be distributed to voters during assembly elections. The seized work by Transport Department employees against the reappointment of a retired employee to the post of District Transport Officer has entered the second day today. The employees threatened to intensify their agitation if the authority does not listen to them. Today, they seized work and held protest in the office complex at Babupara. All Manipur Transport Department Employees Union Secretary Phandom Bijoy Kumar said the government violated the right of the employees by re-engaging a retired employee. He said the union has repeatedly urged the Manipur government and Transport Department officials not to continue such practice. Bijoy Kumar termed the re-engagement of a retired DTO as unreasonable, as many qualified persons are in the department.
Contract employees thambiganu pension chakreba mioi dagi as on superannuation oiraba mioi singdagi amuk re-engage tawbiganu haidana aikoina maduda demand thammaba matungda haiba memorandum isi koina pijakhibani haiba memorandum asi gi wangmada government na adum thamjanna honarapa khongthang lakpa asina maram oidana aikoina memorandum asi mitra ngani mungda khoi demand si keno tawdragadi aikoi makha taba khongjung changsangani haina aduma khoi gi asetpa department gi meeting achobama lawrba matungda aikoina khongjang asi sangchalapani.
RIMS Authority and RIMS Nurses Association Lamphel-Pat RNAL have reached an agreement during a meeting. In a press release, RIMS director said RIMS Authority and officer bearers of RNAL today held a meeting to discuss the protest by the nurses. Now it's time for a short break. We'll be back soon. Keep watching Impact News.
Aigi thamoina achitpa thasaba thamjari Sri Mani Kumar Jewellers. Yumda sum leiraga khanbana di kanaroi engonda loina thengna khrabani wakhal do wagano lao aikoi kudingmo pasaminarase miyam gi apamba design kudingmo soidana phanglagani Sri Mani Kumar Jewellers.
Nungairba Paujel, Manipur Sangai Festival Manungda, Myanmar da flight tongluna koiruna bagi, Achauba Kudong Chaba ama KB Enterprises na pizari, November gi tangkun da chat kraga tangkun tarukta halakadabani, Sopna tagi airfare listing tara manga kachamanga da, Myanmar da chat piu, package ki Kudong Chaba su fangbigani, Akupa Marol gi damak, KB Enterprises, MG Avenue Imphal da contact obiu, Aikoi gi mobile number di 98620 28656.
Welcome back. Guardians of students today threatened to launch intense agitation along with DESAM against the Vice Chancellor and Registrar of Central Agricultural University, Imphal, for not holding admission against vacant seats in BSc Agriculture and BTech Food and Technology. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, one of the guardians said Assistant Director General of ICAR, New Delhi, had issued an order asking to enroll students from Manipur for the 13 vacant seats in BSc Agri and BTech. The guardian accused the CAU authorities of not complying with the order. The guardians threatened to launch intense agitation along with DESAM in case the authorities fail to comply with the order.
Singduna dum changro mingje akoi somdagi chhatra la aroi BC na dum chanbigro ne pire ade dui matungda BC register ga guardian sing unaba sangbada amta changhandre ade moi matam dum thengda halle haiba kaino se mingchan ba se angang singi chahi se mangan bidana ba thenga ju thengna sanba ya han biu kari ma ya da ta ga di de sangwa loina na angang sing jira akoi akan makhonjan kano BC ga register da mathakta changjanjara agani.
All Tribal Disabled Union Manipur today demanded 3% reservation for persons with disabilities during admission at central institutions including Manipur University. Addressing media persons at the union's office at Dulalen Kabo Lekai, Union President Momo Tatanga said under Section 39 of the Persons with Disabilities, Equal Opportunities, Protection of Rights and Full Participation Act 1995, 3% seats should be reserved for persons with disabilities. He pointed out that there is no such reservation in the central government's Central Educational Institutions Reservation in Admission Act 2006 and the Amendment Act 2012. He appealed to the authorities concerned to include 3% reservation for persons with disabilities in these acts.
Reservation se copy jadi within 1 week ki manung sida concern authority na thabak si lakhat jadi ekoi honorable high court ta ekoi approach toroni masigi chap chaba justice puro nangai gi MU की authority ने सो मसी serious होइना खनबीरगा हाइरिबा रिजर्वेशन से मसी अथु मतम द पीव्यू कोई मतम चाना असी कंसर्न authority ना पीवी जदी असी की प्रॉब्लम से कोई मायोक नगनी है से कोई थमजनिंगे
Comrem Students Union Imphal will hold Comrem Freshers Meet program on October 22 at TRI Conference Hall. In a press release, the union appeals to various organizations to not call for bunds or strikes on the day. Residents today repaired Nagamapa Laimeum Lerak in Ward number 4 in Uripok constituency, which has remained neglected by the department concerned as well as the local MLA. Women residents and members of Imphal Sporting Club sought financial assistance from every household of the locality for the repair work.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯀꯟꯁꯜ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯥ ꯇꯥꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯀꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯨꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯈꯩꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯠ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯊꯥ 2-3ꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯪꯕꯤꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯥꯏꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯅꯣꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯛ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯔꯕꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯀꯅꯥꯃꯠꯇꯅ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯁꯪꯁꯥꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯈꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟ ꯐꯝꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯟꯇ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯚꯔꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯛꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯆꯠꯄꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Organization for Indian Women Against Crimes has formed the Rape Victim Support Group to prevent crimes against women and to help the rape victims in the state. They will provide financial help to rape victims at a function to be held in December at Manipur Press Club. The organization in a press release has requested the rape victims to visit their office at Kanchipur above Standard Robert School or contact the office mobile number 961 5359 9868. The 10th death anniversary of the pioneer of Manipuri Matam Ishai Nomaitem Pahari was observed today at Lamyan Bashanglen in Palace Compound. The event was organized by Nomaitem Pahari Memorial Trust. Attendees offered floral tribute to the great Manipuri singer. Speakers at the function recalled the contribution of Pahari for the growth of Manipuri Matam Ishai. They said he left a void which cannot be filled. The two-day festival of Maring tribe Lamlai Kumhai concluded today. The festival began yesterday at Sadang Chenba Maring Khul in Kairao. Sadar Hills ADC member Dr. M. Dominic Kansoa said the age-old traditional festival of the Maring tribe is celebrated every year during Mera month when the marigold flowers bloom. He said the people pray for prosperity and health of the people. Traditional dances and songs highlighted the celebration.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯧ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯃꯔꯥꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯈꯨꯟꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯐꯥꯟꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯐꯥꯟꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯐꯧꯃꯤ ꯀꯧꯔꯒ ꯋꯦꯜꯀꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯐꯧꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯧꯔꯒ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯪꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯋꯦꯜꯀꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯆꯥꯅꯅꯕ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯧꯅꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯧ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯨꯟꯅ ꯋꯦꯜꯀꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ.
People for Animals Manipur has shown its gratitude to Manipur government for approving the draft Manipuri Pony Conservation and Development Policy. In a press release, they said it will be a boon to the voiceless animal and a history for the government. They also said pony owners or caretakers who are economically poor should have a special room in the policy, and copy of the draft policy should be made available to the public and comments should be sought. Alternate Festival by Pop-Up Talkies is organizing Pop-Up Talkies Festival in Manipur too. The festival will be jointly organized by Imphal Cine Club, Usha Cinema, Win Foundation and Television and Cine Foundation at Usha Hall from October 20 to 25. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, Imphal Cine Club General Secretary R.K. Bidur said the main objective of the festival is to give a new flavor of cinema which has been overshadowed by the commercial cinemas. He said 6 non-Bollywood movies will be screened during the festival.
Pop talkie siga we samnaraga we posi package lu bani ada masigi em de kanu habda hojik mayam ne khambire hojik mainstream cinema sina country da world sun mongai mainstream cinema sin lo ina thanna chakhi budagi cinema ge se ko masak cinema gi art aesthetics and lariba masi throughout to life te mayek senga maming masak thong le gedaba posak ki cinema gi magun ji wang mahal pula ko si kuire to rai se adana masigi mayok to koina evolution hai bitare yawala mo program ko na bagi hongjang sang pani.
Now in sports, Trau Kwakethel and Neroka Sangakpam registered wins in the respective league matches in the 11th Manipur State League held at Mapal Kangzibung today. In the first league match, Neroka FC dropped USA Kurai 4-1. Izogu Chindu Emmanuel scored 2 goals, while CH Anand Kumar and KSS Malem scored 1 goal each for Neroka FC, while the lone goal for USA was scored by KH Jackie. Trau Kwakethel beat SSU Singzamai 3-2. Amos Nathaniel Adisa and E. Dayanand scored 2 goals and 1 goal against SSU, while L. Bharat of SSU scored 2 goals for the team. Klasa Kainau will clash with FC Zalen tomorrow. Manipur State School team bagged 3 gold, 6 silver and 3 bronze and emerged overall national runner-up at the first national interstate school boys and girls under 16 canoe sprint championship held at Bhopal's Lower Lake from October 15 to 17. The 36-step age group athletics championship concluded today at Kumalampak Men's Stadium. SROY Singzumai Thongam Lekai bagged the overall champion, while Hau Herog and Sai RC Tagel were declared first runners-up and second runners-up. Races, javelin throw, high jump and shot put were held for different age groups. Before we end, the headlines. Mary Kom likely to be BJP star campaigner in the upcoming assembly polls in Manipur. Sharmila floats a political party called People's Resurgence and Justice Alliance PRJA. BJP Manipur president says the party is closely scrutinizing aspiring candidates. And BJP state executive member from Haingang resigns after N. Biren joined the BJP.